Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add the link to URL to your text in Journal app. Just open the app and choose your document you would like to work with. And here is a text I have written here previously. So I click on it and then choose this hyperlink option here and link to URL. Now you can either paste or enter URL. I will say google.com, save it, and from now on if you click on your text, then it will take you to the page you have linked. So if you click on yes, you will be there. If you click on no, you will just stay right here. That's basically it. I hope it helps.